Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create a QR code for our Google form. So for that you need to open up the Google form, and after that when you click on this option of send on your Google form, you will be able to see this option of link over here. Just click on it, then click on this option of shorten URL, and after that just copy this URL of your form and go to the Google and search for QR code generator. Then just open up the very first link that you will see on Google search results. Just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. Then make sure that you have selected this option of URL over here. Just paste the URL that we just copied for our Google Forms, and this is the QR code that we were looking for. So all you have to do is just download it. You can also copy it to your clipboard, and after that you can share it wherever you want. And this is how you can generate QR codes for your Google form. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.